Okay, Mac users, my name is Steve, and I use a MacBook Pro, and I want to show you something that I found online that actually really cleans your Mac and speeds it up for you. Now, I am a web designer, and I just finished school, and going through school, I have a lot of programs, as you can see, and I have a lot of files, and I needed to start cleaning up my Mac because it started running very slow. So I had this program here called Detox My Mac. And let me just open it up for you. This is what it looks like. That's a little icon. You can see it over here to the left. And it's called Detox My Mac. And let me tell you, this thing has absolutely been phenomenal. Look at all these options to the side. It's just as quick as just, um, you know, clicking the start my scan button. But what this does for your Mac is it cleans up your Mac, and it cleans it up so good that your Mac runs just like it was brand new. And again, all the files that I actually had on my computer, I've had, let me just type in my password. I've had a lot of files on my computer, especially being a web designer and actually going through school for the last 3, 4 years, and just my Mac's been slowing down. This program has helped me speed my Mac up, and it's just like as if I bought it the first day. So you definitely want to get this program. I am so glad that I got this program. It's been helping me out, and I was a little worried there for a minute because I switched from a PC to a Mac, and I didn't know anything about a Mac and how to clean it up. And when I found this program, it just did all the work for me. And this program definitely will clean your Mac up for you and make it run a lot smoother. So definitely check it out. It's called Detox My Mac, and it will definitely work for your Macintosh.